episode 257, Cicada.
Yikes! Who are you?
Cicada. Cicadas are bugs. You're a bug. You're right. Cicadas are bugs. We make wings to flop them. We are bugs in the world.
Where do you live?
We live in Nectar's Rampa Forest. There's a forest. Nectars and grasslands. Stay in the forest and grasslands.
What do you eat?
We eat bugs, benches, and grasshoppers. We eat bugs, insects, birds, and snakes. Are you dangerous? We are dangerous. We bite dangerously. We bite other people. Did you dig holes? No, we dig holes in the ground. We come after dig holes. Oh! Do you have any enemies? Cicadas are lots of enemies. Birds, mantis, and wizards hunt us. A few animals eat our eggs.
Do you lay eggs?
No, we give birth to babies. Lay eggs with them. I see a bird. It's time to fly away. My Cicada.